what is the principle of galvanic cell? The principle of galvanic cell is the conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. Conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy. What is the meaning of it? Suppose if you have a reaction A plus B giving rise C plus D, this reaction is accompanied by certain energy change. The free energy change of reaction delta G will be there. This delta G is converted into electrical work, that is minus NFE. So, the energy released in a chemical reaction is converted into electrical work done, electrical energy or electrical work. Electrical work is given as product of charge N into F and EMF. Charge is N into F and EMF is E. So, delta G is equal to minus NFE. So, depending on the quantity of energy that is released in a spontaneous chemical reaction, the energy is converted into electrical work, and that electrical work is used for different applications. So, the principle involved in the galvanic cell or electrochemical cell is conversion of chemical energy into electrical energy, or in other words, a cell in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is the one that we call as electrochemical cell or galvanic cell. Here also we have other types of cell. The cell in which electrical energy is converted into chemical energy, means electrical energy is used in a chemical reaction to take place. Suppose energy is supplied to this and the reaction is allowed to take place, that means it is a non-spontaneous reaction is made to spontaneous. A non-spontaneous reaction is made to occur by passing an electric current through it. That is a electrolytic cell. That is in electrolysis we study. Electrolytic cell an electrolytic cell is the one in which a chemical reaction is allowed to take place on passing current. So, it is a non-spontaneous reaction. A non-spontaneous reaction is made to take place on passing electric current, and the cell in which this reaction takes place with the help of a current, that is called electrolytic cell, and the process involved is what is called electrolysis. This is the second part of the electrochemistry, that what we told. In the first part it is the electrochemical cell, second part is a electrolysis, Faraday's laws, electrolytic cell is what we told. So, this comes under electrolytic cell. Principle involved in electrolytic cell is exactly opposite to the principle involved in the galvanic cell. In the galvanic cell, chemical energy is converted into electrical work. In electrolytic cell, electric work is used to make a reaction to take place. So, both are exactly opposite. So, in all the sign conventions also, the total principle, the working, the sign convention, everything is opposite from galvanic cell, that is electrochemical cell, to electrolytic cell. So, this electrolytic cell we study under the heading of electrolysis, that is in the second part. First, let us concentrate ourselves first on the electrochemical cell.